Hey guys, this is Gamer Priest, and if you've seen... Well, I'm going to do a different challenge today. This is... What's this called? Bug eating. It's... eating, basically, this.
Again.
Oh, by the way, if you're wondering who the extra hand is, it's my cousin. It's my baby cousin. Alright, so I have to eat...
All that.
all of these.
Eat them? Yeah.
Oh, I've also got my other cousin with me. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bugs to eat. Think I can do it?
Yeah.
Well, let's go and hope my stomach goes up. First one.
That's dead.
Of course they're dead.
What one was that?
It's crunchy. Really crunchy. It's not nice. It's a bit strange. First time I've actually eaten bugs as well. 2 and 3 actually. Got really crunchy
Worms.
taste to it.
You need to eat all them.
Yeah, I know, darling. I know. This is really gonna get stuck in my braces now. Yeah,
You said you would eat all of them.
I will. Look, there's one here.
Are they getting stuck to your faces?
No, not yet. Even a very bad aftertaste in my mouth. Really bad.
Cute. Why are you doing that? Can you feel the brain?
No, actually, I can't.
The brain's too tiny to eat.
Probably. It's not the smartest of creatures. And it's really...
Disgusting.
Yeah.
Remember you were going to say you would eat all of them.
Yeah, I know. I'm quite regretting that bit now. Okay, 2 more.
Another 2. Save the bug for last.
Huh?
Save the bug to last.
Okay.
Take all 4.
Ugh,
You're just like...
this is not the best experience.
Anybody would eat any of them.
Ugh.
I'm going to eat one.
No, I'm eating. Okay, you can eat one.
There.
I won't show you in this video.
I don't care. I actually will eat
That's
them.
just me. Oh, that's minging. Absolutely minging. Why am I still eating it all?
Where's the bug? I told you to eat the bug last.
Yeah, I know. I lied. Last one.
No.
Actually, no. I've got a few bits left. Last lot right there. Okay, I'm done. Hope you enjoyed this video. I surely did not. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, and suggest other videos. Please look through my other videos. There's 2 more on my channel.
I got a video on mine.
We're not going to show that video, please. Thank you. As I said before, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be hearing from you guys soon.
Of
Cheers.
me.